So here we are in early August, and as expected the pomegranates or Punica are coming into flower, and these are extraordinary sort of bulbous double orange flowers. And this is a plant which wants hot, dry, sunny conditions. It doesn't need much feeding in a pot, and actually, as you can see here, these plants are growing away very nicely in pots. They make a lovely patio pot plant, and something which, you know, you can stand outside your conservatory or on your patio and enjoy in flower towards the end of the season. There are several different varieties of pomegranate, and some are more dwarf growing than others, and some have even larger double flowers, as you can see here. This is Punica floriplano, or Punica chico as its name is known in the trade, and it's got a wonderful flower, very small growing thing. It's not a plant that needs much pruning, little bit of dead growth there that just needs tipping out, but otherwise it's a really easy plant to grow, providing you grow it in full sun and providing you give it the occasional feed. Expect the results late summer.